A diggle diggle, the cat and the figgle, the cow jump over the moo. What really is a diggle and a figgle? I'm here to tell you. For Jamaicans, we consistently pronounce English words that have a d sound as g. So if you hear your Jamaican mom say, hold out your hand, Miggle, she's referring to the middle of your hand. Well, your palm. So if in Jamaican the word miggle means middle, then figgle means what? Aha! How about wriggle? Riddle. Idle. Idle. Curgle. Curdle. Ungle. Catch you there. You know, some Jamaicans hypercorrect and say only.
You miss me one and only.
Oh no, ungle is an exception. And the word ungle in English, it means only. Now, can you give us some more examples of English words with a d sound? Let me know in the comments below.